I'm Anuradha Rathore. I'm an architect from IIT Roorkee, and I've done my landscape architecture design from CPT Ahmedabad. Okay, well, Rasamrit Kunj is a very interesting project. It's I would say it's a township, a small mini township, a residential township. It's very different from the regular living spaces that we see that are being normally designed around, for the main reason that it is not a high rise. It is a very low, the ground relativity is much better, and it is not very highly built up. That means the ground coverage is very less, and the layout is in such a way that each house, each apartment on every floor gets very good natural light, very good views, and very good ventilation. Environmentally, what we are trying to do here is that we'll be keeping in mind the biodiversity aspect, which means that we'll try to plant trees and shrubs and even the ground cover in such a manner that we can invite as many as birds as possible to the campus, as many variety of butterflies and insects and other species which kind of complete the cycle of biodiversity. There'll be a lot of play with the creepers. If you see the paintings of Krishna's life, you find that there are flowering plants all over. So we would like to plant the Rasamrit Kunj in such a manner that in every season there will be some part of it which will be flowering. The landscape design here is an inspiration from Krishna's life, from all the episodes, from all the moments of from his childhood to the Gita. So we are looking at various aspects, the various scenes where the those things took place, the various elements, various forms which were participating, right from Krishna's flute to the peacock feather to the little jewelry which hangs down from his crown, to his friends, the mounds where they used to go with the cows, the meadows, the trees under which they did all those naughty things. The idea is not really to make sculptures of these things and depict them in those forms, but the idea is to create those kind of ambiences, those kind of spaces which start explaining or talking about those moments to every individual human being. Landscape design of Rasamrit Kunj actually gives me a lot of challenge as well as a lot of interest to work on, and I'm sure it will be a best place to live in.